Hello everyone and welcome. This video will be about creating a QPI calculator using PhoneGap desktop and Onsen UI for its framework. By the end of this video, you should be able to have a um, QPI calculator, something like this. A is equivalent to 4, V plus is equivalent to 3.5, V is equivalent to 3, C plus is equivalent to 2.5, C is equivalent to 2, D equivalent to 1, and FD or F is equivalent to 0. So when you press equals, it will get the average of the inputs, and then it's going to be the 2.2857, etc. So when you press CLR or clear, um, it's gonna erase the input. So that's basically it. That's basically what we're going to do in this video. So to start, you need to download PhoneGap desktop. Let's type in install PhoneGap. So I'm going to click this link. Step 1, install PhoneGap docs. Okay. So basically, this page is about how to install Adobe PhoneGap. You can have here the desktop app, and there's also the PhoneGap CLI. But for this video, we will be using the PhoneGap desktop. So it's available on the operating system of Mac and Windows. For this video, we will be using Windows. So just scroll and you'll see here the Windows installation. Here is the link for the Windows installer. So to install PhoneGap desktop, you basically just have to follow the steps that can be seen here. It's just a simple setup, so you don't basically need to do anything, just follow the steps. Okay, so once that's done, so here it is. This is the interface of the PhoneGap desktop. So once you install your PhoneGap, you can see here under the web page of the Adobe PhoneGap, you can see a create your app link, which basically tells you how to create your app. So it's a pretty simple um it's a pretty simple step. It's a pretty simple thing to do. You just have to follow this. The plus is to create or add a PhoneGap project. So you can see here you have choices. You can select the template of your choice. See, um, and that's how you create your project. So this is an easy thing to do. So next we need to download the framework, the Onsen UI. So I'm just gonna type in Onsen UI. Um, I'll open the first link. Here you can see the link to download the Onsen UI, and here's a link to its documents. I already have my Onsen UI, so you just have to download and follow the installation process. So I'm going to click the get started button. Here you can see more info or information about Onsen UI, and this also contains an example for creating your first Onsen UI app. See here. Okay. For the IDE, I will be using Sublime. I already have mine downloaded, so I'm just gonna open the app. I'm using the Sublime Text 2, but you can use any text editor of your choice. Um, any text editor that you're comfortable with, it's fine. I just use Sublime because it's easy to use for me, in my opinion, and it's easy to open my PhoneGap projects here. So I already have my finished CLI calculator, so I'm just gonna open that one. So here is my CLI calculator. You can see here under index HTML. So this is for the you can see here it's the one used for the Onsen UI that was seen in the so here is basically just more of um the front end, the buttons, the text box, the one that you can see on the screen, this one. So as you can notice, for Onsen UI, there's this what you call a keyword, the ons. So that's just a thing for the Onsen UI. So what's the important part here is this one for the Onsen UI, and um, this part for the JavaScript. So I'm also gonna show you my specs, the HTML. Um, Here it is, my working HTML. I'm gonna show this to you. Okay, this is for the calculator, the calculation part. See, there's also uh, the JavaScript, the under JS, my index for the QPI calculator. This part. Um, what else? So basically, that's the important part to create this QPI calculator. So I'll put a link down below for my GitHub, so you can download my QPI calculator and try it yourself. So that's it, and thank you for watching.